So I'm in my mid-50s now, and I've worn contacts since I was 14 years old. And with the stigmatism, I had to wear gas permeables to get reasonable vision. And over the last, say, 5 years, my vision's deteriorated, or had deteriorated, I guess in part because of the cataracts, but I had gotten to where my contacts were blurry. I needed reading glasses, and I really was starting to get just kind of stuck in the middle with everything, where I could wear glasses, but that was pretty much it. I really, nothing against glasses, but I preferred not to wear them full time. I went to my ophthalmologist, Dr. Reynolds, and he referred me to Dr. Clary, and it just seemed like something to investigate. And we came in here and did the initial visitation, and I was just struck by the professionalism and the confidence, not arrogance, but confidence that everybody had, that, you know, once you evaluated me, that and I was a candidate, that we had a good chance that this would go well. And from there, it you know, the surgery part of it, you know, it's a little apprehensive, but you know, I felt very comfortable that everybody knew what they were doing, and really that was just such a minor thing for the results. I mean, it really was. I mean, it's just you know, very, very minor inconvenience. It is the best eyesight I have ever had. I'm 55 years old. It's without a doubt in my mind, it is the best eyesight I've ever had. I've got 20/20 vision, which is awesome. And then the plus that I didn't expect is that I no longer need reading glasses at all. So it is just, I don't know that I'll say it changed my life, because my life's very good. I'm very blessed, but it made my life much better. And I just, it's surreal. I think the best word I can use is humbling. It just is such a blessing. It really is. I would tell them at least investigate it, or you know, go through the initial appointment. I mean, obviously there's an expense there, and everybody's insurance is different and so forth. For me, I work for myself, and you know, pretty much I had to, you know, come out of pocket with all of it, and it is the best money I've ever spent. If you know, so you owe it to yourself to at least you know, go through the process and see if it's something you can do. And if you can do it, you know, there's, without a doubt, go for it, without a doubt.